Everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add or replace audio in YouTube video after upload. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. You can see that I'm on the home page of YouTube account. Now you have to tap on the logo, then you have to go to the YouTube studio, because that's where you can edit your audio. Now you have to go to your content. Okay, now you have to select your particular content where you want to edit things. Like, let's say this is the content where I want to add any audio or I want to replace the audio. After that, you have to go to the editor from the left portion. Okay, but I want to inform you honestly that you cannot add any customized audio from here. Okay, you can only add the audio from this audio library. Okay, now you can see the audio here. Okay, you can see the audio section. If you just tap on the audio section, there will be several audios which are royalty free. If you want to just add any, just tap on the add button. Okay, you can see it has been added. Okay, so this is very simple. You can also remove it by tapping on the 3-1. You can also get the license info. You can see that's it, and that's how easily you can just add it, and you can also detect the length from here. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it. So this is very simple, right? And if you want to replace that particular sound, so basically the feature is not available here, but if you get any copyright claim or copyright strike, then there will be an option for replace your audio. In that case, you can easily replace that particular audio and you can add the audio by this process. So that's all about today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.